Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check your model of your iPhone on the latest version of iOS. So let's get started. So in order to check the model of your iPhone, first thing you want to do is go into your setting of your iPhone. Once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you can go into General and About, and right up top here, it's going to show you your model name, which is the model. This is iPhone 15 Pro. And then there's also a model number associated with it, but most of the time you're probably going to be looking for that. So as you can see, this is iPhone 15 Pro, and that's how you check it with your iPhone. There's also other ways to check it using the IMEI number on different websites, which we explain in another video. If you guys want to check that out, we'll leave a link for that as well. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.